Variables type. Variables type is a piece of memory that can contain a data value. Integer, or int, store whole number. String, store the text. Char, store single field. Float, store number with decimal. Boolean, store the value with two-state. Variables type. Variables type is a piece of memory that can contain a data value. Integer, or int, store whole number. In this example, integer, assign value of x to 5. Boolean, then print
Assign
value
of
of
x
flag to false. Integer is
then
data value of flag and assign to n. Then assign n to value of 10. Then print value of n. Integer, assign value of Boolean
ABC
expression
to
20. Integer, then print value of ABC.
X
Equals passing string of
100.
value and append integer value of
Y
ABC. Equals use plus
50.
sign for append. Print, use double code
If
for
value
string x greater than value of y, then return true. String, otherwise store the text, return false. In this example, string, assign value of first name to Jack. Then print value of first name. String, assign value of last name to Dan. Then print value of last name. Char, store single field. In this example, character assign value of my to character A. Then print. Float, store number with decimal. In this example, float, assign value of pi to 204.5. You need to end the value with character F. Then print value of pi. Boolean, store the value with two-state. In this example, Boolean, assign value of user to true. Then print value of user. Run the program. Boolean, assign value of flag to false. Then print value of flag. Boolean expression. Integer x equals 100. Integer y equals 50. Print, if value x greater than value of y, then return true. Otherwise, return false.